Here I have a GoPro waterproof hard carrying case. Now this is the perfect thing for all of your GoPro and GoPro accessories. Basically, it's a lockable case as well, so maybe you're traveling, you're going on a shoot or something like that, and you just want to make sure that you have all of your GoPro stuff together, made with such good quality. Like, this is such high quality case, so awesome. It's got a lock on the front so you can custom put in whatever code you have, and then let me just make sure I've got 000 on there. You simply open it by, there's a little button under the bottom just there, and then we open it up. Check out the inside. This thing is like heavy duty as well. This is awesome. You've got this foam here as well, so we've got perfect spot for your GoPro there, batteries, maybe your mounting case, and then anything for accessories under there as well. Super soft on the top here. You can see those little bubble indents, so it's really going to protect your gear there as well. Really nice handle here. You've got side handles as well, so you can pull that out. Underneath, we've got extra spots and extra foam bits as well, so you can custom put in stuff in there, which is great. And yeah, just a really nice hard case to protect your GoPro and all of the accessories in there. So highly recommend it. Go check it out.